Introducing the perfect solution to damp proofing. The Sovereign Damp Proof Course Injection Cream Kit. Sovereign DPC Injection Cream is a highly effective, ready-to-use damp proofing solution for the treatment and control of rising damp. Each Sovereign DPC Injection Cream Kit contains 6 380ml cartridges, 1 skeleton gun, 1 extended nozzle and 1 SDS drill bit. Preparation. Locate the proposed DPC line at least 150mm above external ground level, and then locate its internal position to ensure they match and damp-proofing continuity is achieved. The internal DPC line should be exposed by removing plaster, skirting boards and any other obstacles. Internal plaster should be removed to not less than 300mm above the last signs of dampness or 1 meter above the DPC, whichever is higher. Installation. Drill a series of 12mm diameter holes in the chosen mortar course, generally at the base of the perpends and with a maximum spacing of 120mm. Each hole should be drilled to a depth of 15 to 20mm from the far face of the wall. Sovereign DPC injection cream is installed using the Sovereign applicator gun after first fitting the supplied extended nozzle to the cartridge. The nozzle is placed to the back of the hole, the trigger pulled, and the nozzle slowly withdrawn at the same time, filling the hole with DPC cream. The DPC cream migrates and penetrates through the wall, absorbing into the structure, lining the pores or capillaries and curing to form a highly effective damp-proof course to control further rising damp. Replastering and finishing. New plaster is applied to prevent hygroscopic salts from migrating through to the surface while still allowing the wall to dry. Such plaster should be a cement-based material that is damp and water-resistant, but also permeable to water vapor, allowing the wall to breathe. Sovereign replastering systems meet these criteria. This is achieved using build-out backing or undercoats of either locally sourced sand and cement incorporating Sovereign Render Mix additive, or Sovereign Ready Render, a pre-blended sand and cement mix, or Render Light Renovating Plaster, a pre-blended lightweight plaster with excellent thermal qualities, making it ideal for use where cold walls and condensation may be an issue. With each system, Sovereign Render Light finishing plaster should be used to provide a finishing coat suitable for decoration. Sovereign also provides alternative replastering barrier systems to further protect against rising damp. The Sovereign lath mesh membrane is unrolled, spread across the area to be covered, and can be fixed to the wall using 2 different methods: Sovereign SovDrain plugs or Sovereign SovStik Adhesive. Method 1. Sovereign SovDrain plugs. SovDrain plugs are fixed by drilling and fitting them along the upper edge of the membrane to hold it in place. Additional SovDrain plugs are then fixed over the entire area to fully secure the membrane. SovDrain plugs should be fixed with a maximum center spacing of 250mm. Method 2. Sovereign SovStik Adhesive. For a quick and easy solution to applying Sovereign lath membrane, dabs of the specially formulated SovStik adhesive are gunned out over the entire area at a maximum center spacing of 250mm. The membrane is then pressed against the adhesive and wall substrate. Additional SovDrain plugs are fitted along the upper and lower edge of the membrane and at random intervals over the whole area to ensure a fixed and well-bonded membrane application. When the adhesive is cured and the membrane is fully secure, we recommend finishing with a direct application of Sovereign White Wall One Coat plaster, designed specifically for use on lath mesh membranes. SovStik can also be used to bond plasterboards onto the meshed membrane if required. Dabs of SovStik are gunned onto the plasterboard at a maximum center spacing of 250mm. The plasterboard is then pushed into place on top of the mesh membrane. Once the plasterboard is in place and firmly set, A skim coat of gypsum multi-skim plaster is applied. Skirting boards can be fixed to plasterboard using Sovereign SovStik Adhesive. Dabs of the adhesive are gunned onto the plasterboard with a maximum spacing of between 200 and 250 millimeters. The skirting board can then be pushed into place and fixed. The Sovereign Damp Proof Course Injection Cream Kit. The perfect solution to damp proofing.